In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto legally using Binance. Whether you're a newcomer or someone with a bit of experience, navigating the world of cryptocurrency purchases on Binance is straightforward, but doing it legally and securely is crucial. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so by the end of this, you'll feel confident about making your purchase. First things first, you need to create and verify your Binance account. This is an essential step because regulations require that you undergo a KYC or Know Your Customer process. This involves submitting valid identification and other necessary information to verify your identity. Completing this step ensures that you're compliant with legal standards and helps protect against fraud. Once your account is verified, you're ready to move on. Now, let's add some funds to your account. On your Binance homepage, look for the Add Funds button. Clicking this will present you with several payment options. You can choose to buy directly from other users, use your credit or debit card, take part in a peer-to-peer transaction, or even transfer funds directly from your bank account. Each method has its pros and cons, but primarily your choice will depend on factors like transaction speed, fees, and personal preference. Make sure to select the option that's available and legal in your country. Next, you'll want to select the cryptocurrency you're interested in purchasing. For example, let's say you're interested in buying Bitcoin or USDT, enter the amount you're planning to buy. This step is simple, but take a moment to review the exchange rate and any applicable fees to ensure you're comfortable with the final amount. Once you've input your desired cryptocurrency and amount, it's time to check your order. Tap on the Preview Order button to see a summary of your purchase details, review everything carefully, and make adjustments if needed. When you're satisfied, go ahead and tap Place Order. This will finalize your transaction, but there's still one more important step. Now it's time to complete the payment. Make sure you use legal methods supported in your region, such as verified bank accounts or credit cards that comply with your country's regulations. Doing so ensures the security of your funds and the legality of your purchase. The final step is to be patient and wait. After all the above actions are successfully completed, your purchased cryptocurrency will appear in your spot wallet. It may take a moment, so don't worry if it's not immediately visible. Once it shows up, congratulations, you've legally purchased crypto on Binance. By following these steps, you've ensured that your crypto buying experience was not only smooth but also compliant with the necessary legal standards. Feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime you need a refresher on the process.